Welcome back to English class. Yes, dear students. So, let's begin with new lesson, that is Nisha walks again. So, in previous class we started this lesson Nisha walks again. In the previous class we have seen the first part of this lesson. In today's class we are going to see a next part of this lesson. So, what we learned in previous class? Just recall. So, there was a little girl named Nisha. She was 10 years old girl. And what happened? When she was she was very clever girl, and she likes to enjoy, she likes to playing with her friends, and always she used to love and laugh. Okay. So what happened? When she was going to school, and suddenly what happened? She was busy with talking with her friend, and suddenly she slipped and lost her balance, and she was rolling down and she just got hurt. So what happened? These her friends, they both scared, and they started to shouting. So one man who was passing near that area, he heard that shouting and he came that place, and he have seen that Nisha doesn't walk. Okay, she unable to walk. So what that man did, he just lifted Nisha on his back and he took her into the hospital. Yes. Next, what happened? When this news got to the parents rushed to the hospital. Yes, why? Because they are also worried about it. So, they went to the hospital and they have seen Nisha's condition. So, doctor told what he did. Doctor first, he cleaned her wound and just put the plaster into her both legs. Yes, then parents came and doctor told him, Nisha will walk after 2 months. She will recover within 2 months. But what happened? Nisha rejected about that. She was thinking, yes, I can't walk and I never walk. So parents also started to worry about it. So yesterday I given the difficult words like plaster. Plaster means what I told? Yes, plaster is something that put around a broken arm or leg to help it become better. Okay. Now, next what happened? Nisha's parents took her back to, when her treatment is over, Nisha's parents took her into home. And what happened? Then 2 months also passed away, but she didn't started to walk. Yes. So parents also started worried about it because she rejected to walk. Yes. So next we have to see here. So 2 months passed and the plasters were removed, but Nisha refused to get up. Her parents became worried that she would never try to walk again. Parents started to worry. Yes, of course. See here, grandfather was very upset when he heard about Nisha's fear. He decided to do something, and the next day, grandfather took Nisha out for a stroll in her wheelchair. So, when this news got to the grandfather, what he did? He was upset. Upset means what here? Upset means sad and unhappy. Upset, sad. Okay, he became sad. Yes, and he decided to do something. Yes, of course, because Nisha, he loves to Nisha, so he decided to do something. So next day, he decided one plan. What he did? He took Nisha out for the stroll in her wheelchair. Stroll means what here? Yes, stroll means a short and slow walk. Stroll. A short and slow walk. So because she unable to walk, so grandfather decided to take her to the stroll out of this and on her wheelchair. Next, see here, where are we going, father? Where are we going, grandfather? Asked Nisha. We are going to the river, Nisha. Have you ever been to village Kausha across the river? See, Nisha surprised and she asked the question. She started to ask question to grandfather. Where we are going now? Yes. So, grandfather answered. What he told? We are going to the river. Why? Because he asked, have you ever seen the village Kausha? There was a village named Kausha. What was the name of village? See here. Kausha. I'll write here. See here. Where was we going? So here Kausha across the river or across the roads here. Okay, here see. So, and it is actually village. Where it was? See here, river, across the river. So, next what happened? The next day, yes, next line. No, grandfather, there's no bridge across the river, and the current in the river is so strong that we children could never swim across. It is impossible for any child to go to village, Kausha. So, let's see, said grandfather and became quiet. Next, Nisha told that, no grandfather, there is no road across the river. Yes, she doesn't know about that. So, she is telling that, yes, I don't know. There is no road across the river. Only I can see river from here. But here, and actually the current from that river, current means what? Current means flow of the water. It is too fast. So, nobody could walk into or nobody could swim properly into the river. So, here, right here, current. Current means what? See here, flow of water. Flow of water. So, Nisha told that, no, the current in the river, it is so strong. So, nobody or children could never swim. Yes, so she doesn't know about that. And it is impossible for any child to go to the village. So, grandfather told her, let's see what will happen. And he became quiet. Next what happened? Soon they reached the river. Nisha was surprised to see a lot of people working there, busy building a bridge across the river. And soon what happened? They reached the river, and what she seen? She have seen that many people were busy to building the bridge across the river. Bridge means you know? Yes, a bridge across the river to pass from the river. So, Nisha, do you see that? The bridge will be complete by the end of this week. Do you still think it is impossible for children to go to village, Kausha? Asked grandfather. Now, grandfather asked again, Nisha, do you see that? You are watching or no? See, their construction is going on. And here, after few days, this bridge will be complete. And you can still thinking nobody can cross the river? Yes. No, grandfather, that bridge will make it possible for everyone to go there. Everyone except me, said Nisha sadly. But you thought the bridge was impossible, reminded grandfather. Don't you think if you try, you could walk again? Next, what happened? Grandfather asked Nisha. Nisha said that, no, grandfather, this bridge is helpful for across the river. So, everybody can do that. Everybody can go to that, or opposite to that, or go to that village, okay, across the river. But except me. Why? Because I am handicapped. I am unable to walk. So, grandfather told that before you told, yes, nobody can go and it is impossible to cross the river. Yes or no? But now construction is going on and it is possible to cross the river. Yes or no? So, now you are thinking, if you decided to walk, you should also walk. Try to walk again. Next, Nisha thought about this. Grandfather is right. What a fool I have been. I will try to walk again. Nisha decided. Now she started to think, yes, grandfather is right. And if I try to walk, I also should walk. As soon as they reached home, Nisha told her family all about the bridge and her decision to try and walk again. Nisha's mother was happy to see her daughter smile for the first time in many days. And as soon as they reached to the home, and when they reached and she spoke with her mother. She spoke with her family, okay, about the bridge. There is bridge and construction is going on, and even her decision, she will try to walk again. So Nisha's mother was very happy because she have seen the smile of that Nisha from many days. Okay. So Nisha held on to her mother and tried to stand up. Little by little, she raised herself and stood up. Then, leaning on her mother, she tried her first step. Wonder of wonders, she had done it and she was able to walk again. Next, what happened? Nisha she held her mother and she tried to stand up. So she held means by supporting her mother. Yes, she took a support of mother and she started to stand up. And little by little what happened? She raised herself and she stood up properly. Then leaning on her mother, she tried her first. Leaning means like that. Just holding her mother's hand, she started to take a first step. And that time what happened? Wonder of wonders means surprise. She had done it and she was able to walk again. Nisha's mother started crying with joy. Even Misha, her cat, started jumping around in joy. And Nisha's mother also, while seeing this all the things, she was very happy and she started to cry with this joy. And even Misha was Nisha's cat, and that cat also, by seeing the Nisha, started to jump around her in the joy. Tea and biscuits for everyone, mother said. Soon everyone was celebrating and grandfather looked really happy though he had tears in his eyes. And mother said now she was happy. So she said that now for everybody I will prepare tea and biscuit. And we will celebrate for that because Nisha started to walk. Even while seeing all those things, grandfather looked very happy and though he had tears in his eyes. In a couple of weeks, Nisha had recovered completely. She could walk and run around and before. And best of all, she could now play with all her friends again. So next what happened finally? In a couple of weeks, after few weeks, Nisha recovered. Recovered means what? She became a better. So write down here, recovered. Recovered means what? Became better. Become better after illness. After illness. Or you can say that after injury. And she recovered completely and now she started to walk. She could walk, even she started to run across and around as before. And finally, best of all, she could now play with all her friends again. So they given this lesson name as a Nisha Walks Again. So children, what you are getting after in this lesson, what you are getting? Yes, see here you can get the moral that if you tried for everything, it is possible. Yes, so you have to try always. So here our chapter is finished. So related this chapter we have here evaluate means what? Here question answers are given. So try to read this lesson, write down the difficult words and try to solve the fill in the blanks, and I will send it to WhatsApp. Till thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.